Okay guys, it's a new episode. Today we're going to install the carpet. This carpet is from Bedrug. Went with this carpet for a couple of reasons. One of the main reasons is it looks like a very easy carpet to install. It's pre-molded and it seems to fit better than most of the other carpets. It's not as lush as the other carpet, but it's seems to be very nice. I haven't opened the box yet, so I'll let it sit out in the sun for a minute. The seats are in, and that was another reason. Everything I've seen, you can install this with the seats in. We'll see if that works for me. Been wanting to get the console back in. I've just got that one sitting in right now, but I'm gonna put I wanted to make sure it cleared the seats, which it does. But I'm gonna put the front and everything back together. All right, guys, here it is all laid out. Can't wait to install it. Did forget to mention, one of the main reasons I've got this was all my other Jeeps had Velcro that held them into place as far as the carpet goes. And I really liked it because, you know, with Jeeps you get muddy and you could just pull the carpet out and clean it real easily. Some of the more expensive kits that I was looking at, you know, you had to glue the carpet in. And it just, to me, didn't think it'd work right. I'm still going to put some huge floor mats in here, probably like WeatherTech or something like that. So it's going to be pretty thick on the floor, and these feel real nice. They also give you a couple of heat shields that go on the back in certain locations. I think they're marked. I can't remember. Yeah. And I like that they've already put the Velcro strips on here. You just got to match it up with the other part and then stick it down. Yeah, I'm going to put the heat shield on too. And this goes right behind the driver's seat, which is what I wanted, because I'm going to have a box. It's going to come from down here all the way up. So I'm looking forward to building this. All right, let me get started. All right, guys, the heat shields are installed. That's very simple. They just stick on. They're not near as forgiving as the stuff I used inside the Jeep, but they are reflective. Oh my God, out here in the sun, it will blind you. See a few wrinkles and stuff in it because of all the contours on the carpet, but it's stuck down real good. But you better be careful, because whatever touches itself, it's pretty much there. I'm gonna go back over it a couple times, make sure it's stuck down real good, and then we'll put it in the Jeep. Did forget to mention I'm missing a few plugs in the floor paint in the floor. I looked up on eBay and found a set for a few bucks. It wasn't much at all. We'll see if these fit. They're definitely harder than the original ones, but as long as it covers the hole, I don't really care. Sorry it's so dark in here. Now let me put these in before I put the carpet back. Well, they seem to fit pretty good, but they are hard plastic, so I think I'm going to have to use the persuader. Meet the persuader. I think every guy has this tool. Let's see how well that works out. All right, it worked fine. I hate to be around when I have to get that out though. It's tight. Let me feel the other three. Alright guys, my kit come with the Velcro already attached to the back. Some 4 locations on the back piece of carpet. And they send you 8 strips to go on top. I was just going to remind you, be sure to put these on before you put the carpet in so you can just peel and stick. Pretty simple. Alright, that's done. Now let me install it. Alright, I got the rear section in. It took me about a minute maybe. It fits very nice. I haven't put the Velcro down yet. And I've got to adjust that side over there a little bit, but besides that, it's near perfect. Part of my box is going to come down to here, so you won't see any of this. Yeah, so far I like it. And by the way, you're supposed to put this part in last. I was messing around with my seats and folding them forward, and so I was like, well, I'll just get this in while I've got them folded up forward. So now let me put them back. And okay guys, we are getting there. Seats are in, console's in. Console's a bitch, by the way. I guess it was for the extra thickness of the carpet and the heat shields. It was a tight fit. But everything fits. It's tight on the seat, but it's good. It's a little tight right down in this area here. But besides that, it's fine. And I'll be honest, I'll be driving 90% of the time, so the seat will probably never move. Dash still looks good. Just don't look back here. Soon, very soon. Looks pretty good from the back though. We got a lot of tools and stuff in there. Really liking the seats. All right, I'll get back to you.